Welcome everyone to the session. I'm just waiting for others also to join. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. We'll start the session. Just waiting for others also to join. Can I have some comments? Those who have joined already. Good evening, Varsha. Good evening, Matruka. As I discussed today, we will be dealing with a very important topic, errors and approximations. Welcome everybody to Spark Academy. And this is a made easy series for your upcoming exams of JEE and EAMCET. So today we are going to discuss the topic errors and approximations. You can download our Spark Academy app and join our courses. You can contact these numbers. We have some exclusive short-term as well as long-term courses right now available. As you can see, there are live classes. You can access live classes, assignments, study material, everything we'll be providing. You can see the links below given in the description, or you can contact the numbers. Once again, welcome you all to Spark Academy. And today we are going to deal with errors. So it will be a short session. We'll try to focus on solving a lot of problems. So anyone, can you tell me what is an error? What is an error? Can I have some comments? I want to see some comments. An error is nothing but a mistake, right? An error is nothing but a mistake, correct? So the reason why this chapter is important, because in mathematics generally, you should be trying to avoid the errors, right? So generally, if x is a variable, error is given by delta x. This is called as error. The relative error is given by delta x by x. This is your relative error. And the percentage error is given by delta x by x into 100. The percentage error is given by delta x by x into 100, right? So these are the fundamental concepts of errors, right? So when we are talking about errors, there is also something called approximations, which we will see in some time. So what is this delta? This delta is nothing but the differential term. The delta is nothing but the differential term in errors, basically. Right? Everyone clear so far with the basic definitions? All of you? All right, great. Now that you know what is an error, let's take some use cases. Okay? We will take firstly a circle. What is the area of a circle? Everybody, can I have some comments? What is the area of a circle? What is the area of a circle? What is the area of a circle? Come on guys, I want you to participate. Let's make the class interesting and let's make it a quick learning session. Yeah, so area of a circle, rightly pointed out, pi r square, right? Area of a circle is pi r square. So in this, if I want to find out the error in area, that means delta A basically, or this will be delta of pi r square. Now, pi is like a constant. I told you delta means it's a differential. That means you need to differentiate. Very good. I'm seeing some answers. Great. Great. Kushal, Sravya, Matruka, Sharanya, Kyati, Varsha, Sravya, Shripad. Great. So pi is a constant. So pi comes out. And what is the derivative of r square? What is the derivative of r square? Derivative of r square is 2r delta r. Got it? Everybody? Because this is like some differentiation of some x power n, which is n into x power n minus 1. So derivative of r square, here the variable is r. So this is my error in area. Right? Everybody? All of you? Now if you want to find out the relative error, what is the relative error? I told you, delta of that variable by original variable. What is delta A? Pi into 2r delta r. And what is area? Area is nothing but pi r square. Right? So pi and pi will get cancelled. R and r will get cancelled. 2 times delta r by r will be the relative error in area. Is it clear? Everybody please. This is nothing but the relative error in area. Is this clear? All of you? All of you please. Everybody? So now we know what is an error. Now we also know what is the relative error. Finally, what is percentage error? Relative error into 100. So basically I'll get 2 times delta r by r into 100. What is this, guys? This part, you know, this is nothing but the percentage error in radius, correct? Everybody? So can I say the percentage error in area is nothing but 2 times the percentage error in radius? Everybody please? All of you? Yeah? So when we take a circle, now what is our conclusion? We have derived that the percentage error in area is 2 times the percentage error in radius. Right? So keeping this in mind, let us derive the shortcut for this. So for any percentage error, you can use this approach, folks. What is that? Let's see. So all of you know that area of a circle is pi r square. Yes. So now can I say what is this r? This r is an independent variable, correct? This r is an independent variable, everybody. And this a is a dependent variable. So you would have seen in your physics also, there are 2 types of variables basically, dependent and independent. Dependent is what? Something which is, you know, depending on r. So area is depending directly on radius here. So depending on the radius, your area changes. Like for example, if you have radius like this, you'll get a circle like this. If you have radius like this, you'll get a circle like this, correct? So the radius is directly influencing the area. Correct? So can I say now the shortcut as the percentage error in the dependent variable is nothing but the power times the percentage error in the independent variable? Everybody? All of you please? So observe, percentage error, what is the dependent variable? Area is power times, power is 2 times, percentage error in the independent variable, which is nothing but the radius, which is what we derived also, right? So using this simple trick, any percentage error, you can find out any question. Is that clear? Can I have some comments from everybody? Can I have some comments? Did you all follow this trick? Did you all like this trick, guys? Yes? Great. Do like the video if you're liking the trick. And now we will proceed further. Now, what about perimeter of a triangle? I mean, perimeter of a circle. What is the perimeter of a circle? What is the perimeter of a circle, guys? What is the perimeter of a circle? Perimeter is 2 pi r, right? I'm already seeing some comments. Perimeter 2 pi r, great. So can you tell me what is the dependent variable, guys? I'm waiting for the answer. What is the dependent variable? What is the dependent variable now? Dependent variable is perimeter, right? This is the dependent variable. Independent variable is radius. So how can I write this? Percentage error in perimeter. Radius power is 1. So can I write it as 1 time percentage error in radius? Everybody? All of you, please. So isn't this easy now? The percentage errors part? All of you? So this is how you write the percentage error format. So if they ask you error, it is just delta, or you have to just differentiate the variable. Why are we not considering pi? Because this is a constant. Pi is nothing but 22 by 7 or 3.14. So that's why we are not, focusing on pi. Right? So this is about the classes. We have exclusively 4th batch of crash course which has started. And the students are availing close to 350-400 students are attending our sessions. So you can enroll, and also we have a special batch for 2022 and 2023. You can contact the number for admissions. The admissions are open. Now let's solve problems. Are you all ready for the problems, guys? Are you all ready for the questions, please? Are you all ready for the questions? Everyone? Let's get started. Question number 1. Question number 1. We have around 5-6 questions. So let's try to do them quickly using our concepts. So all of you get up. All of you have understood so far? Right. Now, tell me, the percentage error in measuring the side of the cube is 0.5. What is the percentage error in volume? Can you all tell me what is volume of a cube? What is volume of a cube? What is volume of a cube? Everybody. Volume of a cube is nothing but a cube where a is nothing but the side. Correct? Everybody? And similarly, surface area of a cube is nothing but 6a square. Right? So can you tell me what will be percentage error in the volume? So you all know this is the dependent variable, this is the independent variable. So can I say percentage error in volume is 3 times percentage error inside? Everybody? All of you, please. All of you. Everyone? Yeah. So what is given here? Percentage error inside is 0.5. So 3 into 0.5, 1.5 or 3 by 2% will give me the percentage error in volume. Simple. Done. Got it now? Everybody? All of you getting it? All of you understanding it? So isn't this easy? Third option. Very good, Shruti, Varsha, Kushal, Tejaswini. Great. Great job, guys. So I hope this is clear to you now. All of you. Great. Great job. Second question, guys. Second question. Let's move on. Second question. The length of a simple pendulum decreases by 3%. Then the percentage error in time period. All of you have it in your 12th. Telangana students, you have it in your practicals as well. What is time period of a simple pendulum? What is time period of a simple pendulum? I'm looking for some answers. What is time period of a simple pendulum? 2 pi under root L by G, right? Time period of a simple pendulum is 2 pi under root L by G. Now, what are my variables here? T is my dependent variable, of course, time. So what about 2 pi? This is a constant, this is a constant. G is acceleration due to gravity, that is also a constant. So L is the length. So this is nothing but your independent variable. Do you remember the experiment in your lab? You had, put a simple pendulum, you kept on increasing the length and you calculated the time. So time period always depends on the length. That is why this is the dependent, this is the independent. So can you tell me now? Percentage error in the time period. Now what is the power? The power is the root. So root means what? Half times percentage error in length. Correct? Everybody? So percentage error in time period, I can write it as half times percentage error in length. So basically what is given? The length is decreased by 3%. So this is 3% by 2, 1.5%. Basically, fourth option is our right answer. Got it, everybody? Great. Varsha, Shruti, Sharanya, Matruka, Tejaswini, Sravya, Kushal. Great job, guys. So all of you got the right answer. Good to see all of you participating. I hope it is clear to all of you now. So let's increase the level of difficulty a little. Next, in a tangent galvanometer, the current is directly proportional to the tangent angle of deflection. What does this mean, guys? Current is given by I. They are saying it is proportional to the tangent of angle of deflection. So can I say tangent means tan theta? Everybody? So can I say now I is nothing but some constant into tan theta, guys? Everybody? So I can say I is nothing but K tan theta. So where I is the current, K is nothing but constant, tan theta as it is. Now what did he say? If the deflection is 45 degrees, so theta is given as 45 degrees and an error in 1% in measuring it. So basically they have given delta theta by theta into 100 is given as 1%. Then find the percentage error in the current. So let's do it normally, this one. So what is delta I? Delta I is K into what is derivative of tan theta? Derivative of tan theta is secant square theta. So what will be delta I by I into 100? Let's do that. Delta I by I into 100 will be K secant square theta by K tan theta into this is secant square theta into d theta, right? Delta theta. So into delta theta, right? Into 100 basically. Correct? Everybody? All of you please? So what is given here? K I can cancel. Theta is 45 degrees. So how can I write it? Secant square 45 root 2 whole square 2. Tan 45 is 1. Now, my only unknown here is my delta theta. So, how will you find out that delta theta? We know this, right? We know this. So, what will be delta theta into 100 basically? Delta theta into 100, I can write it as theta into 1. Basically, it will be theta. Theta is nothing but 45 degrees. So, 45 degrees is nothing but pi by 4 radians. Correct? So 45 degrees is pi by 4 radians. So 2 goes 2 times. My final answer will be pi by 2. Second, not fourth option, guys. Is this clear, everybody? Don't forget to write that 2. All of you understood this? This is a very good question. First 2 were very simple. Third one, you need to apply a little bit of logic. Is it clear now, everybody? So since this is given as theta, theta we know it as 45 degrees. 45 degrees I am writing it as pi by 4. So 2 into pi by 4, that will be nothing but pi by 2 basically. Yes, second option. All of you understood now? Everybody clear? Yes, I hope all of you are getting it. So this is your tangent galvanometer type of question. Okay, so the third question now is also completed. This is a good question. Now, let's do an approximation question, guys. They are asking you what is the approximate value of cos 61, right? Basically, approximations has a very simple concept. If you have f of x plus delta x, that you can write it as f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. This is the formula of your approximate value where this is your original function, this is the derivative, and delta x you already know is the error. So if you are able to identify the x, if you are able to identify the delta x, the question becomes a cakewalk for you. Is it clear? Everybody know? So now tell me which is the standard value we know. So f of x plus delta x, I am writing it as cos 61 degrees. So which is the standard value which you know in cos? 60. 60, right? Everybody? So can I say I can write it as 60 plus 1 degree? Everyone? So can I safely say now that x value is 60, delta x value is 1 degree. So can I say now f of x is a cos function, so cos x, where x value is 60 degrees, delta x value is 1 degree. Correct? Everybody? Great. So now I will put it in the formula. What is the formula? F of x is nothing but cos x. F dash of x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x into delta x. Delta x as it is. So what is it? Substitute 60 degrees. What is cos 60? Cos 60 is nothing but half minus sin 60. Sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. And delta x is nothing but 1 degree. Now how do you write 1 degree? We know that 180 degrees is pi radian. So 1 degree is pi by 180. So this I can write 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 into pi by 180. So how do you simplify? 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5 minus root 3 is 1.732 whole divided by 2. Pi is nothing but 3.14 whole divided by 180. So if you simplify this, now you need to calculate. Once you simplify and calculate, you will be getting your final answer. Understood, everybody? Good. Matruka, Shruti, Tejaswini, Sravya, Shruti, great job, guys. Understood now, everybody? How to do approximations? So this is one formula. If you use, you will get the answer very easily. Right? So I will be sharing this PDF after the session is done so that you can refer it once again. Alright guys, everybody, let's move on to the next question. Now this is very, very important question. It's a previous year question. The focal length of a mirror is given by this, and it has equal errors in measuring U and V. So what is given basically? Delta U and delta V is nothing but alpha. That is given. The focal length formula is given to you. They are asking you what is the relative error in F. What do you mean by relative error? Delta F by F. That is what they are asking. So shall we start differentiating? Delta times 1 by U, 1 by V, minus delta times 1 by U equals to delta times 2 by F. So what is derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square. So this I can write it as minus 1 by V square delta V. Correct? Everybody? This I can write it as minus 1 by V square delta V. And what else can we write? What else can we write after this? Right? After this, you can write this as, after this you can write this as delta 1 by u is minus 1 by u square delta u. And what is 2 by f? Minus 2 by f square delta f. Correct? Everybody? All of you know? Can I have some answers, guys? Can I have some answers, please? All of you? Great. Great. So what can I do now? Minus, what is delta V now? Delta V is nothing but alpha, right? So I can take alpha, this is alpha, this is also alpha. So if I take alpha common, you will get it as 1 by u square minus 1 by v square, that is equal to minus 2 by f square delta f. Now how do you write this? This I can write it as 1 by u plus 1 by v into 1 by u, I'll write it here, 1 by u plus 1 by v into 1 by u minus 1 by v. So what is this? This is given as minus 2 by f square delta f. Right? Everyone? So now what will happen now? You know f2 by f is 1 by v minus 1 by u, right? Everybody? So if I have 1 by u minus 1 by v, this I can cancel and write minus 2 by f. So this minus 2, f and square will get cancelled. So what are we getting? RHS we are getting delta f by f. So LHS we are getting alpha into 1 by u plus 1 by v. So it will be second option. Is it clear, everybody? All of you. So what am I doing? I'm basically differentiating on both sides. I'm differentiating on both sides using delta. And then delta u and delta v, I can write it as alpha. So once I write that, you can get it as 1 by u square minus 1 by v square. So 1 by u square, this is like a plus b into a minus b I can write. So 1 by u plus 1 by b, 1 by u minus 1 by v, right? So I can rewrite 1 by v minus 1 by u is 2 by f. I can switch it. So it will be minus 2 by f, cancels off. So you are eventually getting it as alpha into 1 by u plus 1 by v. So this is how you can do the fifth question. All right, everyone. So moving on, great. I can see that many of you are giving answers. Great, good job. The last question of the day, an equilateral triangle whose side is x and area is a. Then they're asking you what is delta a by a. So can you guys tell me what is area of an equilateral triangle? What is area of an equilateral triangle? I'm waiting for some answers. What is area of an equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 into side square. Correct? Root 3 by 4 side square. Sure, Gaurav. I'll share the PDF in the Telegram group. Okay? So this I can write root 3 by 4 a square. So how do you write delta a by a? Delta a is root 3 by 4. Derivative of a square is nothing but 2a delta a. So delta a by a, if you do, you will get root 3 by 4 2a times delta a by root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4 cancelled. A will get cancelled. You are getting the final answer as 2 times delta a by a. Or they said side is nothing but x. So I can write 2 times delta x by x. So which is nothing but the third option. Great, Shripad, Varsha, Matruka, Sravya, good job. Shruti, good job guys. So I hope this class was clear to you. Just a quick recap. We learned what is an error. We learned what is a relative error. We learned what is a percentage error. And then we found the shortcut. The shortcut is what? Percentage error in dependent variable is power times percentage error in independent variable. We use those tricks and you've solved a lot of questions, different model questions in errors and approximations. Hope all of you have liked the session. If you like the session, do like the video, share it with all your friends so that all of them are benefited with it. So thanks a lot everybody for joining the session today. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot. I hope all of you enjoyed it and you learned something new today. And I will see you again next week with another series. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll be sharing the PDF with you in the Telegram group. Thank you, guys.